Dr. Christopher Carter, we are so grateful to you for a lecture you shared with our Yale Youth Ministry Institute today on facilitating difficult conversations about race and racial identity, a compassion-based approach. It was just terrific. We packed the house, 165 youth workers. It was great. And one of the things that really struck me in the early parts of your remarks was this notion of compassion-based approach. Not just facilitating difficult conversations, but you embedded that process in notions of joy and compassion. Would you share with us how you understood the joy that was important to your framing?
Yeah, I think part of the reason we're really excited about the opportunity to be here is that you guys have decided to center joy. And we think within the work that we've created that joy is an affective affirmation. And so we recognize joy to have an emotional component, right? The affective economies that we produce, our emotions, and it affirms our identities and those emotions that come along with that. An affective affirmation of our concrete reality. And so that's a really fancy way of saying who we actually are as people, right? So part of being able to experience joy is being able to embody it in our own embodiment. And so in that sense, it's different. The experience of joy is different for every person, every body. And what makes it so exciting, I guess, in that sense for us is we're recognizing that a part of the ability to experience joy is to be able to celebrate those diversity of bodies and the ways in which people embody joy in their own particular bodies.